Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kholy Kusumawati, NPM 1975103I. Okay, I'm an employee at the Nature Republic Company. Here, I will promote our neighbor's product, Nature Republic California. Gel review. Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture 92% Aloe Soothing Gel, which is one of the best-selling products from the Nature Republic brand. This product is already booming in the market because of its many benefits, and its products are made from natural ingredients. With an aloe content of 92%, the main ingredients of this product is taken directly from aloe plantains in California. This product also has a California Certificate Organic Farmers (CCUV) certificate. For its own advantages, this aloe vera can be used by all skin types and has many benefits, including as a moisturizer and face mask, because the aloe vera contact will help moisturize your face. Then, as a base makeup, you can apply baby cream or foundation to product a moist and healthy skin that will give you better makeup result. It can also be a safe gel to prevent or reduce skin irritation due to shaving. As a hair care gel, a much essence for treating nails. As a gel to treat sensitive skin. There are so many, right? No wonder this product is a favorite of beauty bloggers. Nature Republic Aloe Vera Gel review is packaged in a container that is large enough and contains 300 ml, although in the form of gel. This is. The texture is light and quickly penetrates the skin. The fragrance is also fresh and not stinging because when buying it, there are many counterfeit products that look similar to the original and are sold at too low a price. Aloe vera soothing gel contains two substances, namely auxin and gibberellins. Besides that, aloe vera also contains antioxidant, vitamin A, C, and A, plus vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline. These ingredients are believed to effectively cure skin problems, from dry skin to charik skin problems such as psoriasis, acne, and eczema. So, how do you still want to find fake product? Let's protect your skin with healthy and trusted product. Don't be fooled by fake honest. And you should read about the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Gel review to make it safer. Or you can just visit our shop at Shopee, Nature Republic brand. More promotes, don't miss it. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.